everyone, this is a quick video just to walk you through the very first of our Distance Fridays. What you should find posted as the newest lesson in Schoology is a review of what we've been working on for the last week or so. This next assessment, which will happen on either Monday or Tuesday, depending on which day you are here, is going to be just like the last one in that you have to have completed all the work in order to be allowed to take the assessment. I'm not going to test you on something you and I both know you don't know. If you aren't ready, you don't take the test, okay? So this review will be that last piece, that if you can open and do the review and get at least a 70%, you are ready to take the assessment on either Monday or Tuesday. So that's what we're shooting for. Make sure that you watch this video, make sure that you take the attendance and fill out that discussion, and make sure that you get that review done and get at least 70% on it, and then you're going to be good to go for next week. And then I will see you